عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. أهلا بكم. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. This is Muhammad Harun and Salah Jazuli, and with our car that is giving us hard time, we're fixing it on the road. So best car fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this car here, and our problem is, can you tell us something? تعال هنا يا خالد. Where are you going? It's raining, not raining, we have to do something. كانت شنو قلت لي? When was that?
The car won't start. Like if I left it, if I turn the car off for like 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes, the car just won't start.
Okay.
We fixed the we bought a new battery. We fixed the alternator, and the issue is still continuing.
Okay, it looked like the rain is a little bit high, so we're gonna jump it. Right now, I'm gonna show you. Where is the key? If you go inside the car, there is nothing at all, nothing. You see here? I'm gonna put the key in. You see nothing. There is nothing. Okay. So I am going to do one quick test, and that test is going to be here to check how is the battery. Is that because the battery is already dead, or there is a problem? So I'm going in this area here. We are going to use our tools. My brother Saleh is here with me, Saleh Jazuli. So I am going to go to voltage. I'm going to take 12 volt, 20 volts, and I want to check my power of the battery. To check the power of the battery, I'm going to put this one here, put this one here, hold this for me, just on the battery itself. And I'm going to put this one here. Yeah. So when I put here, you notice that we have 12.87, no battery drain. That means battery is good. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna start it first, and then I show you something. Bring that jumper. I'm gonna fix this car here, for 1 month. We have a problem for 1 month. Let it bring the jumper, we're gonna jump the car. Ahmed, Luke, please call me Lamin. Bring that one, we're gonna see how it's working. You see, he have this jumper. Brother Saleh Nair, this jumper is very good, and it helps you when you have a problem. Your car doesn't start. Look here, I'm gonna put that one there. You see, we put it there, and it will start charging. You need to have something like this in case of emergency, especially winter is here. Start the car for us. The car is stopped. I'm gonna disconnect it, put this one back. Then we're gonna check the charging system. Charging system, I'm gonna put this one here. Yeah, put just on the aluminum piece. See if I meter set down aluminum. Okay, very nice. We're gonna put this one here and this one here. The charging is 14 point something, which is very, very good. Very good. Now, we have one thing to do. If we're gonna put it here now, put it here, put here. And we're gonna put this one here. You see, we have a good charging. But we're gonna do one thing quick. Amshi, but turn the car off. You see where I put the power here? Now, we're gonna see what's going on. Start now. Start. Do it. You see now? Voltage drop. Very bad. Okay. Now I'm gonna go here. We put everything back. Voltage is good. Put this one here. I'm gonna put that one. You see here? I put this here to here. You see here? Voltage drop when I put it there. So it looked like this battery terminal have an issue here. Okay, on left side. Celle-là, on va aller. Vous avez les pièces? لقينا المشكلة. نظبطها نمن. We're gonna fix it like crazy. Okay. We have also something like a voltage drop. How to do the voltage drop? You hold here. We're gonna put it here in here. Put it in here. Voltage drop. You see here? We have 4 voltage drop. 4 voltage. It's supposed to be 0 voltage drop. here and here. We're supposed to have a 0 to 30. We have 4 volt voltage drop between the battery terminal, and here we have 4 volt voltage drop. It's supposed to be 0 voltage drop. Let me show you here. Now put it here. Let me show you. This is all our problem. Here and here. 0 voltage drop. I don't need no voltage drop here. Between this terminal and this terminal, we don't need no voltage drop. So put it back again. Here. Yeah, here and here. You see, we have 5 volt, 2.95 voltage drop. So our problem is that this car have no problem at all. Our problem is only between the battery terminal here and here. When you try to start it, we have a voltage drop, severe voltage drop. For example, if I can do something here like this, go now, start the car. Yes. So this is our problem, is the car is start right now. Now, go there, turn the car off. Now I'm gonna come here now for me. I'm gonna put it again here. Put that one here, this one here, and the other one there. How much voltage drop I have? 0 voltage drop. The car will start and we have no problem. So our problem in this car for 1 month, being running up and down, doing that and doing this, the problem is only because your battery terminal is dead. Nothing more in this car. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean the battery terminal correctly. We're gonna clean this. Midnight, you will be able to start and drive your car. No problem at all.
Excellent.
Oh,
Do we need to change anything?
no, we're gonna clean it nicely. Clean this one, clean it nicely and tight it. If it needs to be changed, yes, we can. In the future, we can change it. But now, we're gonna open this. We clean it perfectly. Put something on it, and you're good to go. If you wanna replace the terminal, you can cut it. But we have tools to clean it. Tu sais qu'on a j'ai tourné ça comme ça et le véhicule démarre. Il a un mois avec ça, comme ça. Yeah, c'est 5 volts de voltage. Bien nettoyer ça et puis tu peux mettre même quelque chose en attendant. Et puis on va, peut-être un jour, on va couper ça ici. On va amener des bonnes.
Comme les cosses là, ce n'est plus les bonnes cosses. Je recherche une clinquant, je desserre un peu pour renforcer ça.
Tu mettre quelque chose pour renforcer?
Oui. Mais les cosses là, c'est original.
Ok, so on va laisser ça.
Ça gaspille vite.
Ok, fais ce que tu peux faire et puis on a bien dépassé. On va nettoyer tout le dé et puis on est bon to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. And you have any problem, feel free to call, and please don't forget to subscribe in our channel. This is Muhammad Harun Idris and our brother here, Salah Al Jizuli.